In the latest version of Comfort Access, the door handle does not need to be grabbed or touched anymore in order to unlock or lock the vehicle when the driver approaches the locked vehicle with the vehicle key. With contactless vehicle unlocking and locking, the vehicle unlocks. The behavior of the vehicle depends on whether automatic unlocking and locking is activated. These settings can be found by going to Car, Settings, Doors Vehicle Access, and selecting Comfort Access. Select Unlock by approaching and Lock by leaving to activate. Sensors on each side of the vehicle recognize the vehicle key. Please be aware that other electronic devices may cause signal interference. Unlocking works best when approaching one of the vehicle doors from the side. When activated, a welcome orchestration starts while approaching the vehicle. The vehicle automatically unlocks during further approaching of the vehicle. After exiting the vehicle, it locks itself when the driver walks away with the vehicle key. For this, the engine needs to be turned off and all doors, including the hatch, need to be closed before you are leaving the vehicle. To save the vehicle's battery, unlocking by approaching is not possible after the vehicle has been standing still for around 3 days. Depending on equipment, it is also possible to show opening and closing of the vehicle through blinking the indicators, applying an acoustic signal, or by folding the mirrors. Continue watching our how-to series to get the most out of your BMW.